welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Now in today's video I'm going to show you 10 minutes skin mask remedy that would be so bright on your skin, that would help you so much to gain all of those your dream desired skin. Okay, now this 10 minutes working mask remedy is very effective, and I'm sure you're gonna get all of the ingredients to buy because they are easy to find. Okay, so let me walk you down into the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and then let's go. Alright guys, so we're gonna be needing banana for this 10 minutes skin repair remedy, because banana is an anti-aging remedy that treats acne, lightens dark spots. It also a skin moisturizing agent that moisturizes the skin and softens the skin. It hydrates and makes the skin really supple. Potato contains a natural remedy that provides a lot of nutrients to the skin. It contains a lactic acid and a lightening agent that helps to repair the dull skin, and it's also a remedy that works wonders in reducing dark spot, blemishes and acne scars. It lightens up the skin, it gets rid of acne, and it's also a face mask that rejuvenates the skin. Also, we're going to be making use of tomato. Now tomato is a skin glowing agent that prevents signs of aging, as it acts as a sunscreen to the skin. It acts as a stress reliever, perfect astringent, fights cellulite damage, and it's also a natural bleaching agent. And then we're going to be needing rice powder. Okay, so I've actually run out of my rice powder, but I have some left. Now rice powder is an anti-aging remedy that helps to work wonders on the skin. It helps to glow and polish up the skin. It removes wrinkles, fine lines and pigment, and it is also a remedy that lightens up the skin. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna be peeling this all up, and then I'm gonna be pounding it, okay, so it could be really smooth. We're not gonna be needing too much of that, that's why I'm just using one of that. So I'm going to be transferring the pounded banana into this bowl. I'm also going to be grating the tomato. I'm going to be transferring that into the banana and then give it a mix, okay? Then we're going to be needing 1 teaspoon of rice powder, now we would have to prepare potato. So I'm going to be creating the potato. You can either blend yours, guys. I'm going to be creating mine. I love to create in a circular motion so that I can get much of the juice out. Now I would have to be sieving this out. Pressing it so that the juice can come out really good. And now we have to be mixing this all up. and then we'll turn it into the mix. So we'll turn this really good. Okay guys, so here is a 10-minute skin repair, smoothing and brightening remedy. And what you're gonna do is to grab this and then you apply it onto your face, onto your neck, onto your hands, onto your body. You apply it in a generous way. So I'm actually showing you with the help of my hands so that you know that it is not only your face that you're supposed to rub this. If you want to brighten up your hands, your neck, your body, your face, okay, this treatment goes for all of those places. So you would rub this all over your face, rub it all over your body, rub it on your neck, your hands. It softens your hands also, and then you rub it on your feet, okay, and then you now scrub it. You give it a circular scrub, you know, in a circular motion like that. Alright, so after doing this, then you can hold on for, of course it's going to be very discomforting because it's wet, but you can hold on for about 3 minutes and then you go wash it off. Like, I literally do this when I want to take my bath, okay? So I just do it in the bathroom, and just when I'm done, I pour water all over my body and it runs down. And then you follow suit with the toilet soap and with a very mild cream. Alright guys, so for this treatment you have to use it at most 2 times in a week, okay, and you're going to be seeing the result right from the 2nd week you start using this. Okay guys, so now banana is something that is actually very good. It moisturizes your skin really good, and it makes your whole skin. Now it's good for you to eat it, it's good for you to apply it on your skin, and the peel of the banana is, wow, it's wonderful. So you can also, you know, put in the peel and it is great. Okay, so if you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you again soon, and bye guys.